y'all get in here, I'm going to show you how to make these tacos using hamburger patties. Yep.
Y'all ever want tacos but didn't have ground beef? So you resort to the next best thing? You use hamburger patties. Why not? Break them babies up. That's your ground beef, baby. I want tacos. I have no way to, well, I have a means of transportation, but I can't get out. So, went to the freezer, and this is what I found. This will have to do.
Yep, we're just going to keep adding our hamburger patties, y'all, until we have enough in the pot to make our ground beef. Y'all keep watching.
Watch me make this magic happen. Where there's a will, there's a way, guys. There is a way.
Y'all see that transformation? That ground beef is looking delicious.
Okay, let's go ahead and lightly season with some salt. And we're going to add some black pepper. Y'all see how we broke those patties up? Yep, we got our ground beef. We will have some tacos today.
Today's news, Kietha will be having her tacos.
Hey, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. This is one of those times that I'm doing what I gotta do. Go ahead and drop in some onions, y'all.
If you're still watching, thank you so much for your continued support. Your girl Kietha T appreciates you. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, y'all. Let's keep making these tacos.
Yes, sir. And I think I was going to spend $30 to get some ground beef delivered this morning. No. Sometimes you just have to improvise. Sometimes you just got to do what you need to do. In my case today, I wanted some tacos. I have a seasoning. I just didn't have the ground beef. Then I was like, hey, you got hamburgers, Kietha. Get those hamburgers out the freezer, thaw them out, and here we are. So hey, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, guys, and this is one of those times. Anyway, let's get back to this meat.
Okay, let's add our seasoning. We're using what we have. I wanted Taco Bell, but this is all your girl had.
It will be all right, y'all. How much water do I need to add to this? Do it. Hopefully it won't be too salty, but I want some garlic powder. And I also want a little onion powder. I know I love my black pepper over here. Hey, this is turning out beautifully. I'm going to add a little bit more water because I don't want it to be too salty. Y'all see that? Just like that, I got my taco meat. I'll come back when I'm ready to prep the tacos, guys.
Okay, it's time to now assemble our tacos. Y'all see that meat? How good does that meat look? Okay, I'm going to put some meat right onto those taco shells that has already been preheated. I'm going to now add some of my Taco Bell mild sauce. Then I'm going to go in with some of my chunky salsa, y'all. I like it mild. Now let's go ahead and top those tacos with some mozzarella cheese. We're going to add some sliced avocados right on top. Y'all, I was going to put them back in the oven, but I'm so hungry I cannot wait any longer to eat. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and get those tacos plated. Thanks so much for watching. Please consider subscribing. Y'all see me looking back at that oven. I really was thinking, should I put them back in the oven?
Just like that, we've got two beautiful tacos. Bon appetit!
Okay, just wanted to show you all the finished product. Y'all, the tacos are absolutely delicious. Your girl is enjoying herself with these hamburger made tacos. You hear me? Hey, try you some. When there's a will, there's a way. I wanted my tacos, I got my tacos, y'all. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a blessed day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and be blessed, my friends. Y'all be blessed.